as low as it will get. Just make sure that I've got this all nicely lined up. I'll probably be doing 2 or 3 different looks here. This should be interesting. Oh, actually it does look really cool. The staggered wheels give it a really different look, especially from the back. You can tell the wheels fill in the space, and looks really good. I'm happy with that. I bought another style of wheels with calipers, which look a little bit different, nice alloys. So it's easy to do wheel swaps with this. I got a box with different styles, but I think this style looks best on this car, so I'm going to display it like that for now.